Football channels are one of the most evergreen niches you can jump into. For the past 3 years, I have been making videos on how to start a football channel. And these videos are getting a lot of engagement from you guys. So because of that, I decided to make a new video for 2026. And in this video, you're going to learn exactly how to create a football news channel. But first, take a look at this channel that I found. The name is Goal90. They have uploaded over 360 videos, and they currently have 400,000 subscribers, which is almost 500,000, and their videos are getting a lot of views. Their most popular video was uploaded 5 months ago, and that video has over 400,000 views. Another one was uploaded 6 months ago, and that one also has over 400,000 views. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they create their videos. But first, let me show you guys exactly what I was able to create so you have an idea of what you're going to learn in this video.
What if I told you one of football's most dangerous strikers is also one of the most vulnerable players on the pitch? Not because of his skill, not because of his mindset, but because one single moment nearly changed everything. So why does Victor Osman still wear that black mask? And more importantly, why can't he take it off? Back in 2021, Osman was flying high at SSC Napoli. Goals, confidence, momentum, everything was building perfectly. Then came one collision, a brutal head clash with Milan Skriniar during a game against Inter Milan, and just like that, everything stopped. Fractures to his cheekbone, damage to his eye socket. This wasn't a shake-it-off injury. This was serious.
So grab a cup of coffee, and I'm going to show you exactly how these videos are created so you can start your own channel today. Let me introduce you to my community, AI Creator Bootcamp. This community is designed for individuals who are serious about monetizing their AI faceless YouTube channels and building your AI twin just like Leo. If you want personal one-on-one feedback from me and experts who truly understand the process, this is the place for you. In our community, you will learn expert-level prompting for YouTube and gain access to a full automation course for beginners. Everything you need to know about starting and monetizing a YouTube channel will be available to you, and guess what? It's just $5. We plan to increase the price to $50 per month soon, but if you're among the first 30 people to join now, you will lock in the $5 rate for life. We will soon be launching a 90-day YouTube monetization challenge. If you're serious about starting and monetizing your YouTube channel, I highly recommend you join us and secure your spot. Currently, 31 people are ready to begin, and we will kick things off on April 1st. Hurry and reserve your spot. You'll find a link to my school community in the pinned comment below. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. To create your football news video, the first thing you need to do is, first of all, open your Chrome browser and search for Google News. You are going to see this page. What you just need to do is click on Google News here, and then it's going to open this page to find football news. What you are going to make a video on. What you just need to do is move your mouse to where you see sport and click on it. Now, when you click on that, you're going to see the latest NFL, NBA, and so on and so forth. One I want you to go for is soccer. Here, click on it. Some people call it football, some people call it soccer, so anyone. So when you click on soccer, you're going to see the latest news on football topics. So what I want you to do is go through them and pick the one that is more interesting to you and you feel like people will like to get more information on that news. I see news like Messi news is always trending. I'm not good at football, so it's very difficult for me to understand what is happening in football currently. But you get the idea. So when you see news about a certain player or a certain club, what you just need to do that you feel is interesting is what you just need to do is click on it and then open it in a new tab to see the news, just like this. Right then, it's going to bring you to the news. What you just need to do is highlight the news entirely, just like what I'm doing here, and basically just copy it. What you just need to do now is to save it somewhere. Now, the next thing is to visit this Google Doc file that I've already created for you. The link is in the video description. I created a master prompt that you're going to use to convert that article into a killer YouTube script. Okay, so what you just need to do is copy the entire prompt, just like what I'm doing here, and then open ChatGPT like this and paste it here. So once you paste it, the next thing you need to do is go back to where you saved the article, and then just make sure you paste it below where you see here is the content to transform. So once you've done that, just click on the generate button and immediately ChatGPT will understand exactly what you want. Then it will first of all give you a very good title, And then it will now start writing you the script in a very engaging way, as you can see. That's the same step I followed to write all this script you're seeing. And then what I just did was to ask ChatGPT to write out the script in paragraph form, because I prefer it in paragraph like this. It just depends on what you want, and ChatGPT is going to do exactly that for you. So now that you have the script, the next thing we need to do now is to convert this script into a voiceover. One of my newfound AI voiceovers that I like to use now is called Fish Audio. I just like how the voices are and how it sounds so realistic, honestly. So now just click on text to speech here, and basically it's going to automatically select your voice. You can go through the voices and click on Explore here and choose the one that best fits your preferences. But for me, I'm going to be using the Sleepless Historian because I just like how it sounds. Edit, just paste the script here, and before you do anything, there's one feature I like to use, which is to enhance the script. So when you click on Enhance, it's going to immediately start enhancing. As you can see, it's done enhancing. What you just need to do now is to create speech, and guess what, guys? Feel free to use Google AI Studio if that is what you can afford, right? So now that you've seen how to generate your voiceover, the next step is to start editing the videos. And for me, I'm going to be using CapCut, any video editing software of your choice. So the first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut and drag in the voiceover you generated into the timeline. Then the next thing you need to do is to download a white background just like this. I have this white background, so I just uploaded it here. So now that you have the white background and the voiceover, the next thing you need to do now is to zoom in on the timeline, and this is why, so that you can listen to the first 5 seconds of the audio and know exactly what image or video you need to find to fill that gap. Now, this is how you do editing. So once you listen to the first 5 seconds, you're going to find something to add there. So, like for me, I decided to use a cartoon of myself while I just leave the subtitles at the top right. Then for the next 5 seconds, the script is talking about Victor Osimhen, so because of that, I had to find a clip of him on the field, so that's why I added this here. So now for the next visual, I had to listen to it, and then I found this visual talking about him scoring a wonderful goal. So because of that, I had to find clips of him scoring goals, and then here we're talking about his skill level, so I needed to visually just represent what the voiceover is saying. So because of that, I searched for an image of a ball on Google, and I uploaded it here, also with my avatar here. Then I just put everything together. So basically, it's just listening to the voice and finding exactly what is going to visually represent that part. And that is what I've done here in this whole editing. Now, when you follow this step by step, you're going to create very nice football news videos just like this. It's not difficult. You just need to understand the basics that I've shown you in this video. When you're done with all these, put the video together and all that, you can now click on Export. Now this usually takes like 3 days to edit a 20-minute video. I just want to let you know that creating football explainer videos and news channels usually takes time to make the videos, but it's worth it.